You've always been the light in the room, the fire that warms, the presence that commands. But this June, your light shifts, not because it fades, but because it deepens. Mars moves through your sign, charging you with energy, drive, and visibility. You feel more alive, and people notice. But while others see your shine, only you know what's stirring beneath the surface. There's a quiet fire now, one that doesn't burn for applause, but for meaning. You don't just want to be seen, you want to feel proud. To know that your actions align with something real. Jupiter has entered Cancer, pulling your focus inward. While your outer world expands, your inner world begins to whisper. Rest becomes sacred. Honesty becomes urgent. Not the polished kind, the honest, messy kind that says, "I need time," or "I'm not okay today." You're learning that power isn't always loud. Sometimes it's in the choice to pause before reacting. Sometimes it's in walking away without explaining yourself. Mid-month, Mars squares Uranus, and that tension may hit close to home. Career shifts, personal disruptions, or unexpected changes in your rhythm may stir frustration. Let the fire move through you, not consume you. Breathe before you respond. Clarity always follows calm. Creatively, you're on fire. Ideas come fast, but not everything needs to be shared immediately. Let some things ripen in the dark. Let your art, whatever form it takes, be for you first. In love, Venus in Cancer invites tenderness. You may feel nostalgic, protective, even a little guarded. That's okay. Let your heart speak softly this month, not in performance, but in presence. You might feel drawn to reconnect with someone from your past, or maybe a past version of yourself that you buried to meet expectations. Let them come. Not all memories are meant to be held, but some deserve to be honored. Financially, avoid impulsive spending around emotional triggers. Not everything you crave is what you actually need. Let intuition guide your choices. By the end of June, the spotlight softens, but your glow doesn't. You're not fading, you're focusing. This is your invitation, Leo. Shine from within, act from alignment, and let your strength be felt, even in your silence. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.